Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Just wanted to make a quick clip today. I know I'm talking a little fast, I'm all hot and sweaty, but we've been trying out a new wheel cleaner by P&S. Before we always just use the brake booster or brake buster. We've gone through quite a few gallons of this and it works good as a wheel cleaner. It doesn't remove any kind of iron particles or brake dust, that kind of stuff, but it is a good, nice foaming wheel cleaner. And we would let that dwell for a little bit on the wheel, maybe for like 30 seconds or so, and then spray it with an iron remover, either Car Pro, Geon. That's probably one of the top iron removers that we use here at the shop. And then spray this on for the extra brake dust. And then you guys know what happens. It turns purple, starts lifting the brake dust and all the iron particles and stuff from the pads and rotors. But now P&S has come out with Iron Buster. This is my second gallon of it. It works really, really well. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. It's kind of noisy outside. But this product works really well and it's not very expensive at all. The Geon and the Car Pro stuff typically averages around 80, 90 bucks for a 4-liter container. Brake Buster, I can't exactly remember. It's like $49 or something retail price, but it works really, really good. So I'll show you a little demonstration video here today, just cleaning one wheel. It's a black wheel, so it's kind of hard to see. And this, you can also use it on the paint. I've been using it on paint as well. It works really good, guys. And it's super fast acting, so it starts turning purple and activating like pretty much as soon as you spray it on. So if you're interested, give it a shot. Watch this little quick clip, and I'll catch you guys later.